So we're a manufacturing company, UK based, that produces hose systems for the retail market. We operate a lot in the UK, but we're also in Europe and ship worldwide. Currently about 250 employees, permanents that work for us all year round. Then as the season starts to ramp up, we take on a lot of temporary workers to help us meet that demand for our customers.
Mint Telecom, we were formed 4 years ago. We provide telephony, IT, Wi-Fi to small and medium-sized businesses in and around Birmingham.
So the big challenge here at Hozelock was the size of the site and the sort of older cabling that was in place.
The problems we were having with our previous system was it was quite expensive to maintain. The reporting that it gave us was very limited. Because it was an unstructured cabling system, it meant we had to maintain 2 sets of wires. Last summer we had a very hectic season, but what we couldn't show after the event was sort of usage, is when were those busy times. So we needed something that could allow us to track that, to try and help our customers better.
Originally, Richard and the Hozelock team thought they wanted a full cloud solution. However, actually on further inspection, an on-premise system delivered them exactly what they needed, and especially down to the CapEx way that they wanted to pay for it. We were then able to give them obviously that option to go onto full cloud in the future should they wish.
We now have a clearer view of our usage, particularly for the call centre. It's easier for them to track when the busy times are, which is very useful in allowing us to meet our customers' expectations.
For Mint Telecom, the iPECS UCP100 is our go-to phone system. The handsets that we supplied are very easy to use. It's just flexible. You know, it's a great product that we're happy to recommend.
We recommended for Hozelock a single telephone system with the UCS application for reception.
So they can take an incoming call, look at a list of staff and actually drop the call onto them to enable them to transfer, which was a marked improvement over what they had.
Since we've implemented the Ericsson's LG iPECS system, we've been able to produce more reports for the business. The Ericsson system has allowed us to see when those calls are coming in and actually provide management with figures to help us deal with the peaks and troughs of calls.
We also implemented a deck solution out in the warehouse for the various factory workers that were out there who needed a portable telephone option. So for Hozelock, the solution's been fantastic for them.
It was good working with Mint. We had a number of stages, and each time we've had a question or set a deadline, they've been there or got in beforehand. And we'd explained to Mint that there was a clear time frame, that because of our seasonality, we had certain targets that we had to meet. And in fact, I think we actually exceeded those.
Towards the end of the tender process, it became clear that there was also a large cost saving. The system saves them several thousands of pounds a month. So yeah, the system, they're delighted with the way that it's performing, and the cost saving over and above was just the icing on top of the cake.